live. Oh yes, I can see people joining in, so I'll not waste more time and I'll just begin. So hi everyone, all the Pula members, those who are watching us, and hi Nilofer, thank you. So those who are watching us and those who are going to watch it later, hi everyone, myself Aarti Chauhan. People like all ladies on Pula know me as my first brand Shayona Crafts, and recently we have launched our label, which is Label Aarti Chauhan, in which we provide all the designer outfits, and we are coming up, we have already come up with a lot of designs, and we are coming up with more new fusion and innovative designs. So thank you Sonam, thank you. So I'll not waste more time, and we have a lot. We are at my studio at Tingre Nagar. We deal with a lot of stuffs like all the ethnic and fusion wear. We have from kurtis to lehenga. So we make kurtis, we have designer dupattas, we make a lot of new blouses, and people are just loving them. So I'm going to show you all. I'm just briefing you about the stuffs we deal in. Also we have designer saris as well as handloom saris, and what we do, we make a very traditional outfit, very traditional saris, handloom saris, and give it a twist of some modern designs and make it very unique. So people know us for our uniqueness and sari blouses designs and some kurtis and all. So yeah, we are at my studio in Tingre Nagar. You can visit us on prior appointment. You just need to call us that you are coming in. So we take only one customer at a time. So looking at the current situation. So yeah, you just take an appointment, you can visit us, and I hope I'll be able to show you a lot of stuffs, because we have like wide variety in all section in ethnic wear. So I'll just start quickly and show you some of our best designs. So yeah, let's begin. Thank you. So we will start with some blouses designs which have gone viral. बहुत सारे लोग उसको पसंद कर रहे हैं. We do some customization. अगर आपको इतना नेक नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा कम चाहिए, थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहिए, so we can adjust that and we'll make for you. Thank you so much. Everyone is saying hi, hello. I will not be able to tell you all call your names, but I'm so grateful that you all have joined us. Thank you so much. Okay, so we'll start with our hit designs in blouses. So this is one of our very beautiful blouse, and yeah, I'll tell you the price range. I'll not tell price of each and every product because it will take a lot of time and I won't be able to show you more products. So these all handloom. This is handloom. It's not handloom, it is a pure cotton hand block printed ajrak blouse. So this is very unique and beautiful design. You can see, so there is a hook and this bow, so you can, like, it is secure. So this is the blouse. I'll show you some more blouses in the same category. So that one is for 1250. So these are all some unique designs in blouses. So all the handloom blouses starts from 1000 to 1500. If you want to customize, some charges may be added. So these are all pure malmal cotton blouses. So this is the portly detailing we have given on the waistline and on the sleeves. So this is beautiful ikkat. It's very subtle, this is handloom. It's very subtle yellow color. This is again ajrak. You must have seen all these blouses in our pictures, sari blouses pictures. So this is very nice. It's for 1250. These are again very beautiful and very kind of hot cake. Abhi log ye dekh ke na, people come from far to visit us. This is again a very beautiful and very angel like blouse. It's very nice. See, this is the look. You can see it's chikankari white fabric, and we have added this beautiful lace, and it's very unique design, I must say, because people are just loving them. We are sending this particular design all over the world. People are just loving this design. So if you want, you know, so thank you. Okay, so if you don't want this much deep neck, we can customize for you. So you may take the round neck with the frill, without frill. Again, lovely blouse. It is silk blouse with this ari work. So this is ari work, and we have added this beautiful you know, balloon sleeves, organza balloon sleeves. These are very beautiful blouse. So this you can pair. See, it's not nowadays, it's not like if you have a cotton sari you wear only cotton blouse. It's not like that now. You know, all the you can mix and match with the fabrics, you can mix and match with colors. So I'll give you some of the tips while showing you some designs. So this particular even I had worn this same blouse with handloom sari, pink sari. So if you want some pictures, I'll show you how to style these blouses. So this is again a beautiful design. So now I think we are done. We have a lot more blouses in handloom as well. I'm not showing you all right now. So we'll go to the silk section of blouse. So this is a crop top style blouse. You can wear it as a blouse. You can wear it with skirt. You can wear it with your lehenga and dupatta. So this is, you can see the quality of brocade we have used here. This is range around 1500-1600. So we have like more variety in golden also. Like in golden only we have huge variety. So if you want golden, you can ask me. So this is the pattern. You can see this is the back. So here this portion will be open, it's a design, and here you will get this hooks. We have much more in golden as well. We have in silk plain, जिसको मतलब एक चाहिए कि एक ब्लाउज होना चाहिए जो बहुत सारे साड़ीज में जाएगा. So these are kind of that blouses. So we have like color different designs just like this. It's the brocade design is different. So we have these in different sizes. So if you want a basic golden blouse, we can give you that as well. So these are priced at like 900 to 1100 के बीच में आ जाएगा आपको. Just like golden, we have variety in black, because these colors mostly people really need these kind of blouses जो बहुत सारे sarees के साथ जाएगा. It's ari work done on the blouse. The back is also very beautiful. See. So this is the black blouse. Again a beautiful black. You can see the quality, huh? Price, white frill on neck. See, the design I have shown while frill blouse is for 1550. If you want to add more frills and if you want to add more design, it will like increase 100 or 200. So this is again, so we have colors in this as well. The another color in embroidered. Yes ma'am, Vinita ji, we have a lot of stuffs. I'm going to show you a lot of more variety in dresses, kurtis, saris, everything. Just stay tuned. So I'll just quickly show you some of the designs. More designs you can always ask on WhatsApp. So these are, so I quickly finish blouses because we have more stuff to show you. See these, I'm just showing you the quality of the stitching. You can see the piping and all other stuff. So these are basic brocade blouses with round necks. You can take screenshot guys and WhatsApp me on the given number. I'll tell you individual price and sizes for all blouses. This I need to show you. It's a sequin red blouse. These are basic designs. आपके wardrobe में होना ही चाहिए because it goes with a lot of saris, with a lot of lehengas. You can team it up with the skirts, lehenga, saris. So we have another color in the same pattern which is black. Okay, so I'll show you one plain, you can ask for more colors and more sizes. So these are very beautiful. It goes very well with all the printed, all the handloom saris. These are really nice. You can see the finishing. You will not see the stitch anywhere. See. So this kind of finishing we give in all our stitched garments. So please don't compare these kind of blouses or this kind of stuff with any other products which is going viral on internet, which is available at very low cost, but we have different quality. So आप जब भी कोई क्वालिटी चीज पहनते हो आपको वो उसके फिटिंग और लुक से ही समझ आ जाता है कि आपने क्या पहना है, राइट? सो दीज आर प्राइस्ड एट 1275. इसमें जो कॉटन्स आते हैं दैट विल कॉस्ट यू 1000. So we have different size and colors in this. This is one of the cotton जो बहुत सारे मैंने फोटोशूट में पहने हैं. People are just loving these blouses. ये black blouse मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को दिया है because they just want the same I was wearing in my shoot. So yes, this is that blouse which I'm wearing. Okay. Okay, so these are some other colors in plains. I'm not going to show you all. Okay, so we'll quickly start with the saris. We have very limited time. So in sari, I'll quickly brief you. हमारे पास जो saris है, वो mostly handloom है. If it is not handloom, it is hand block printed. कोई ना कोई ऐसी चीज है विच इज वेरी यूनिक. ओके, आपको जो भी नॉर्मल ऐसे साड़ीज मिलेगी मार्केट में, दीज आर नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ साड़ीज. सो आई टेल यू द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ पर्टिकुलर वेराइटी. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विद द खेश साड़ीज. दीज आर द साड़ीज. जब इसको खेश साड़ी बोलते हैं, कोई कोई लोग आपको ये भी दे देंगे. ये जो द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ खेश साड़ी इज दिस लाइनिंग. ओके, बहुत सारे लोग आपको दे देंगे कि ये खेश साड़ी है, वो ऐसे प्रिंटेड लाइन दे देंगे. So that is not the original sari. I'll tell you, as you can see जो ये जो stripe है ना, which is another fabric which is added into sari, this sari weaving. एक और साड़ी का एक और फैब्रिक का जो स्ट्राइप है उसको जब ये साड़ी वीव होती है उसके साथ में उसको वीव करते हैं. सो दिस इज स्पेशलिटी ऑफ खेश साड़ी. खेश इज स्पेशलिटी ऑफ कोलकाता. ओके, सो दीज आर एंड दिस ब्यूटीफुल काथा वर्क बहुत फेमस है. कोलकाता का जो काथा वर्क है विच इज वेरी फाइन एंड वेरी यूनिकली डन. सो दिस इज खेश साड़ी. वी हैव लेफ्ट विथ ओनली 3 pieces. All 3 are unique. So this is the Khesh. Okay, so these are priced at 2675. We have 3 colors in this. So that is green and black combination. This one is only green. This, again it's done with the katha work. So these are all handloom. ये हाथ से भी होता है sarees. We have another color which is very nice, very subtle red color. See this, आपको पूरे साड़ी में भी हैंड वर्क आएगा. हाँ, so this is the entire saree done with the katha work. And this is the beautiful pallu. This is the pallu design. You can see. So this blue is added. So these are priced at 2675. I'll show you some of our चिकनकारी sarees जो भी लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किए. So we have different colors and designs in this. इसका मैं आपको प्राइस बताती हूँ. 2175 to 3500 तक है इसमें वैरायटी. You can see how the beautiful, how intricate work is done. This is pink color. It's a light pink. I'll show you some bright colors if you are thinking to get for festivals. So this is the pink. Pink का जो प्राइस है, this is for 3500 because of the work. थोड़ा सा फैब्रिक एंड वर्क क्वालिटी सेम इन ऑल साड़ी, बट थोड़ा सा ज्यादा वर्क होता है. साड़ी का फैब्रिक जो है वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट आता है एज यू गो ऑन द हायर रेंज. दिस इज द रेड. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो वी हैव फोटोज ऑफ ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स. यू कैन पिंग अस. या दिस इज वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज. जो आपने पहले एक ब्लाउज देखा जो जिसमें नेक पे फ्रिल है, आई वॉन्ट बी एबल टू दिखाओ ना इसमें से. सो ये जो है ना, दिस इज टेपची वर्क. So this we have designed with this beautiful frill, and this is hand crochet lace. It's not the plastic lace, it's a cotton hand crochet lace, and we have designed this particular blouse with this sarees. So we have given the same frill with the in the sari pallu. So that is the design. So this is how it looks. This particular saree is 2775. Blouse is for 2550. So now we'll go to the silk section in saree. So this is Kota silk. This is Kota silk. We have 5 to 6 colors in this. It's not the normal silk. It is Kota silk. You can see the doria in between this silk. See, this is beautiful broad border at both the sides, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse. So very rich looking blouse is given with these sarees. So for festivals you can go for these as well. We also provide stitching service. We also customize garments for you all. So if you have such requirements, you can visit us. So we have like 5 to 6 colors in this. This is another second color I'm showing you. More colors I'll show you on WhatsApp. Okay. So the combinations are really nice. As you can see the weaving and all. Okay. And you'll get this blouse. This is the blouse. Now we'll go to my favorite section, which is Kota Doria. See. This very, very rich sarees. This print is called as Bagaru print. These sarees we have given, because these sarees are given with this kind of blouse pieces. This is the blouse and this is the pallu. So we are going to give you one more complimentary contrast color blouse with this Kota Doria, and the price is 2500. And we have added this beautiful tassels. These 2 color tassels we have given, so it looks very unique. So we have 5-6 pieces in this in different colors. I'll show you this beautiful combination in Kota Doria. This is paisley print. Color is very nice, very beautiful. As you can see, the combination, this bright yellow is looking very beautiful. Price of this saree is 2499. You can say 2500. You'll get 2 unstitched blouses. One which is given with the saree. Another we are going to give you 1 contrast blouse. Yeah. So this is Kota Doria. We have more colors in this. You can ask for colors. I'll show you. Now another section, which is Chanderi, pure Chanderi sarees, but it is block printed. Very beautiful, very rich colors, very rich prints. So this is the saree, and here is the pallu. We have more prints. The price is 3250. You will get blouse pieces in all the sarees. So I'll show you 2 more prints in this. This is a very beautiful grey and maroon color. वो ब्लाउज दिखाओ ना, जो ये वाला प्रिंट वाला. 3250. This is also very nice, very chunky, beautiful, bold prints. See. These are very unique sarees. You will not get like in ordinary markets and ordinary stores. So we are done with the Chanderi Ajrak print sarees. I'll show you some more in silk. This is Patola print. These we have in 2 varieties. One is for 1875. The other one is for 2175. These are also given very beautiful prints and golden border. You will see the golden booties all over the sari. So this is the one combination I'm showing you. We have 4 colors in the same pattern. If you like, let me know. This is for 2175. Okay, we have a studio at Tingri Nagar. Tingri Nagar, अगर आपको पता नहीं है, you can if you know Viman Nagar, it is nearby that area, airport of Viman Nagar. So this is again my favorite. Actually, I wanted to drape one today, but I did not. As always, I wear saris in videos. So today, for a change, I worn the dress. But this is always my favorite. This is modal silk ajrak print sari with this beautiful Banarasi pallu. This is the look, and the fall. Agar you know, you need to visit us for to see this sari and its fall. It's very nice. ये जो drape भी आप करते हो ना, it looks very beautiful. So these are priced at 4775. Ajrak modal saris. This is another color, maroon. 4550. 4550. Yes, I'll come to this dupatta. This is another color, another print in modal. So I'll show you some of our collection in dupattas because we have like last 7-8 minutes. So I'll quickly show you. These are modal dupattas. We have some in tie and dye as well. These are priced at 2550. So I'll quickly show you some of the colors. This is modal dupatta 2550. Thank you so much everyone for appreciating. This is another combination. It is brown and orange 2550. हम लोग अभी launch अभी कर रहे हैं because we have not done the shoot for these stuff. Okay, so we have more. I'll show you later. Now I'll quickly show you some of our designs in dresses and kurtis because बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आप लोग सिर्फ ये सारी ब्लाउजेस ही करते हो. No, we are designer and we have a lot of beautiful designs to show you. ये जो दुपट्टा मैंने पहना है, this is the sample piece we have made. अभी जो हमारा बंदेज के जो आर्टिस्ट है उनके पास हमारा पूरा स्टॉक पड़ा है. We are getting more colors in this. प्राइस इसका हो जाएगा 1800 to 1900 और मे बी 2000. आई एम नॉट श्योर. सो दिस इज द दुपट्टा. ओके, इट इज डोला सिल्क और ये पूरा बंदेज किया हुआ है इसमें. ओके, सो आई क्विकली शो यू. आई हैव लास्ट 5 minutes. आई शो यू सम ऑफ आर डिजाइन्स इन ड्रेसेस एंड कुर्तीज. ओके, सो see, you will see all unique designs here. See, this is a balloon sleeves and we have done this beautiful detailing. It's katha work. The hand crochet is given and this is the design. So this is priced at 1250. This is for 950. So I'll just go faster. Okay, I'll show you some of our designs in kaftans. Kaftans हमने अभी recently last week ही launch किए and we are getting very good response. हमारे fabrics अभी खत्म हो रहे हैं जो हमने kaftans बनाए. People are just loving this. This is कलामकारी. इसमें आपको ये वाला लेस मिलेगा, pom pom lace. Okay. So this is ikkat. This beautiful tassels. This hand crochet. I don't know why I'm loving this crochet lace a lot. मैं बहुत सारे उसमें add करती हूँ. Okay, so we have some prints in short kaftans. You can wear it with denims. आप उसको as a top भी पहन सकते हो. ठीक है? Okay, so I'll show you some of our festive designs. Thank you, Nilofer. Thank you. So, see, you can see this is a beautiful cotton silk kurta. इसके साथ हमने bottom and दुपट्टा भी दिया है. दुपट्टा is at my another workshop जो अभी बन रहा है. इसमें बहुत सारा गोटा हमने add किया है. So by tomorrow I can show you दुपट्टा for this dress. Okay. So it is a 3-piece set. This is again a beautiful. आप देखो इसका गोटा का जो detailing है. It's very pretty. The color is also very nice. This is top and bottom set. These are again festive collection. You can see all the detailing we have given and the finishing. These are all festive collection because this time, you know, people don't want to spend more on festive collection. So we have designed in such a way that it's not very heavy on your pocket, and it doesn't look very simple in festivals as well. So these are very reasonably priced. This particular set, top and bottom, is for 1885. If you want dupatta, we can give you dupatta with this, so that will price like 1000 more. So this is again a very pretty dress. See, इसका जो डिज़ाइन है which is in the bottom, as you can see, हमने बहुत प्यारा एक ये scallops दिए हैं. So this entire set is for 2885. Only top and bottom is for 1885. This is again a very pretty set. It's a sharara set. These are some designs in kalamkari. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll quickly take you, I'll take 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. I'll give you a small tour of my studio, because I wanted to do that in the beginning, but मैं नहीं कर पाई. So I have saved this 2 minutes, and I'll be showing you some of our beautiful collection. So I'll turn the camera off. So we have these kind of handwork dresses. So you can see how beautifully these are done. So these will go in all the shadi vagara functions. You can see this beautiful piece as well. So these are all our blouse collection. As you can see, this is my tripod. These are all blouses, okay? Some of them we have kept on a table. So these are shararas, bottoms. These are chikankari kurtis. So these are all our cotton collection. I'm not going to open this. I'm just giving you a glimpse of our other collection as well, because half an hour mein it's not possible to show you all my collection. Yeah. So we have some lehengas as well. And this collection these are all modal and other cotton dupattas. These are all bandhej, leria. These are all katha work. This is again heavy fulkari. These are some fabrics. Okay, so these are all Banarasi and different kind of dupattas. And this is our display. We have some jewelry as well. This kind of jewelry we have. Okay, and we have a huge collection of saris. आप देख रहे हो बहुत सारा हमारा stuff खुल गया है. So I think I'll just check out the time. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for joining in, and those who are going to watch us later. I'm so grateful to Poola and Sonia for giving us chance to go live. Actually हमने बहुत सारे group में live किया था, but I was just very excited, and I was waiting for Poola to do this online thing, so we can go live on Poola as well, because people have always loved us a lot, and our collection. Poola Bazaar live भी होता है तो पूरे stall पे line लगती है, I must say, because हम लोग दिखा नहीं पाते, इतना सारा crowd होता है, and we are just missing that Poola Bazaar live. And thank you so much Poola and team for giving us opportunity. And I'm still I've already started getting WhatsApp and all. So I know all the people always appreciate our collection on Poola. और Poola Bazaar जो post भी रहते हैं उसमें भी बहुत सारा प्यार मिलता है सबका. And we also try to give you all better quality every day. We are improving ourselves. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day. Wish you all a very happy Dashera, which is tomorrow. Take care and take all the precautions while celebrating these festivals. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye.